Matching graphs to given functions and tables. Okay, so what you first want to do is you want to identify what your the function is, and this function is f of x is equal to 3x plus 7. Now your 3x is your slope, and so that is rise over run, and the 7 is your y-intercept. So how you identify if this is the right graph or not is you can first go to, on the y-axis you go to 7, and you see that that is where it crosses, so far you're on the right track. And then from there you rise 3, so you go 8, 9, 10, and then over 1, and then that'll bring you to point L, and that line is good, that matches that function. And as you can see, the given data is for H, I, J, K, L, M, and N is all the points, and all you have to do is just based on the points, all you have to do is go to -3 and then down to -2, and that point matches, as well as -2 and +1 and so forth. Okay, this one here is f of x is equal to -7x plus 5, and again what you will want to do is you would go to +5 on the y-axis, and so far point K is there, because your K is always going to have a the x is always going to be equal to 0. And then what you do is, again, you can either go to -3 and see where that point is, which is 26. -2 is approximately 19. -1 is 12. And also what you want to do is you can look for a pattern between the y-axis, how it's 26, 19, 12, 5, -2, and you can see that each time it's decreasing by 7. So that will also let you know that you're on your right track, and that this is the right function for this graph. Okay, this one is 9 over 3x subtracted 8. And for this one it may be a little tricky, but what you would do is you would go to -8, and you have a point on -8, and yes, that is your y-intercept. And then what you have is you have 9 over 3, and so that's just rise 3, over 1. And once again, you can go down to your points like all the other ones. You have -3, and then you go down, and that's -17, -2, -14, 1, -11, 0 is going to be -8, because the x-axis is always equal to 0 for your y-intercept. You have 1, -5, 2 is -2, and you have 3, +1.